everyone! Welcome back to the Mantu Marketing Software channel. In this video, I will show you how to automatically post products for sale on Facebook Marketplace in the miscellaneous category. Previously, I already made videos explaining how to add accounts. To log in, you just need to select the accounts and click Login. This section here is the Account Management panel. In order to post on Marketplace with these secondary accounts, the most important requirement is that the accounts must be able to access Marketplace. If you cannot open the Marketplace tab, the bot will not be able to post products automatically. Next, I will create product content for posting. Go to the Content Management tab. Now I will create a category to store product information. Next, create a new post. Choose a folder to save the post. For the post type, select Marketplace. Then select the listing type, price unit, product price, product category, and product condition. Finally, simply copy the content and place it on the Marketplace. You can also choose to include images along with the product description. You can also import products in bulk using an Excel file. A template is already provided here. You just need to fill in the information according to the template. For example, if you have 100 products, you can import them all at once. Alright, after preparing the product content, go to the Post Function tab. On this side, you can set the delay time between each post. Next, I will choose the shared content configuration for these accounts. This field controls how many posts each account will publish. Select the account folder that you want to use for posting. Now, I will click Start. After clicking Start, the first 6 accounts will automatically log in. The bot will run in the background and display the actions of each account in the Current Action column. Now I will wait until all accounts finish posting. Alright, the product listings have now been posted on Facebook Marketplace. Now I will open the account to check whether the product has been posted on Marketplace. All images and content are fully uploaded. And that's the tutorial on how you can automatically post products to Facebook Marketplace in the miscellaneous category. If you are interested in these automation tools, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.